Welcome to Draw and Design. Today we are going to install reinforcements in parapet wall using Naviate Rebar extension. First of all, click on Parapets. In the geometry section we have the basic information of the wall, height of wall, length of wall and the thickness of wall. Then go to reinforcement section. We have two types of reinforcements, transversal reinforcement and longitudinal reinforcement. For the transversal reinforcement we are going to use number 4 diabar, and for the reinforcement types we have three types of reinforcement. I am going to use the middle one. So we have two U's, one U is facing upward and one U is embedded in the slab, RCC slab, and we have a tie on top of the parapet wall. The part of reinforcement which is going to be embedded in slab is L1, so we will provide the coefficient. Then for the spacing of the transversal bars we are going to use 5 inches, and for longitudinal reinforcement we are just going to use number 3 rebar with the spacing of 6 inches, and then click on OK. This will generate the reinforcement in parapets. So our reinforcement generation showing this kind of reinforcements in the parapet wall, and on the top of it we have a tie. And that's it for the today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video.